So what would the process look like if you wanted to get a custom suit made with us? First things first, I actually like to measure the client. That is the most important, but the least fun part of the whole process, in my opinion. Now, some clients do actually like the process of us measuring, especially if it's their first time, because they're curious and they want to see the way that we measure. But if you compare, the whole process, it's the least exciting part, but the most important part. So we get the measurements first. So once the measurements are taken, we actually talk about a few things. We want to get as much information as possible to be able to then use that information to then guide you towards the right direction of picking the right cloth. So then we would move on to choosing your cloth. For example, this is one of the cloth options. We have a lot of them, but I'm going to use this one as an example here. Let's just say you were to choose this one. You would then get something back just like this. But what are the things that you're able to customize? So number one is going to be the buttons. You're able to customize the buttons. You're also able to customize the style of the suit as far as shoulders go, as far as lapel size, what kind of lapel you want. You're also able to customize the inside, which is the lining. If we go to the back here, you're also able to customize this here. As you can see, we went with the gray, but there's many options that you can choose from. Oh, and you're also able to customize the type of pockets you want. So those are going to be some of the options that you're able to add to the suit. Obviously, there's more, but that all depends on the client, what they'd like, what they're going to use it for, their body type. There's a lot of things that we look at to be able to then, like I said, we want to take in as much information as possible to then be able to build you the best suit possible.